Hi, I'm Dr. Eugene Titov, and here are your dental implant options. Here at Marsh Cove Dental, we provide patients the options of single tooth replacement, snap-on dentures, and all-on-X treatment. Any patient who has failing dentition or simply just unhappy with their smile is a candidate for a single implant replacement or all-on-X treatment option. So before we even start your surgery, we design a customized smile that will fit our patients aesthetically and functionally. It is important for patients to replace missing teeth with implants because it prevents bone loss, moving or shifting teeth, and restores their chewing ability. It also helps with increasing the patient's self-confidence. At Marsh Cove Dental, we have advanced 3D technology that give us the ability to evaluate your existing dentition to provide you with the best outcome possible. Technology like iCam allow us to capture the exact implant position and create a dental prosthetic which allow us to deliver your teeth in the same day. The ability to give you a smile in the same day limits the amount of visits to our office, so you start smiling sooner and feel better faster. For more information about your implant options, please visit our website or call our office. We look forward to seeing you.